resolution requesting Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs to upgrade senior citizen identification card by incorporating TAMAT of the members of the, in addition to the signature. So move.
It has been moved and duly seconded. Hearing no objections. But before that, Councilor Duron, you have the floor. Can you please turn on the microphone? Turn on. Wala ka red. Na.
Signature or TAMAT is legally accepted. So what's the problem there? While require both, no? Convenience or inconvenience, there is a rule. We have also to protect the office. Even signatures are being forged or falsified. There have been cases, even. Kung mo gina nila ya, maginakumudap na sila. For a little sum of money, I think some were already investigated with respect to that. May nagkakanto sa ako, no? In a way, legally man na, kung daw initially, nag-signature siya, then later on, kaya hindi na siya na-stroke siya, hindi na nag-signature, TAMAT is valid, still valid. Why not? Oh? So, wala kita issue sila. Actually, kami ganyan as senior citizens, as pensioner, every year, we are even required to appear. Just to show nga buhay pa kami, Kagto ka sa GSIS, otherwise your pension will be stopped, no? And I was telling Councilor Rakap, I have an experience, personal experience, because I'd like to tell you that I used to be a criminal investigator at Subic Naval Base. We were roaming around the country to know whether the pensioner is still alive. But you know what we have discovered? They are preserving the TAMAT, they put it in the formalin. Sometimes the admin of the Subic, they are even writing na wala nagid nag-appear, why nagid nagasabat ang pensioner, no? Later po may magsabat sila, may magsabat na buwi pa siya, hindi na siya na-stroke siya. But we discovered that when we go personally to their houses, patay na gali a long time ago. So may scam. So what? Yeah, TAMAT na lang ara. So maskin subong ani, maskin buhay ginahimo, how much more kung patay na, just to take advantage man sa ato. So sometimes we have also to protect the OSCA office, no? Not just purely for convenience, but what is really true. Ano ang dapat mabulik ka? Kasi ang aton kwanta gani involved kung isa eh. Involved especially sa mga PWD da, mas hindi PWD, no? I think some of you already heard hindi sa PWD, but they are applying for PWD just to avail of that services of the 20% discount. In a way, it's a resolution, no? But we have also to put some what do you call that? Well, I'm just I will abstain. We are friends, but I will abstain if you insist on requiring them not to appear, because I insist that as long as there is a possibility, let them appear. If they cannot appear, go to a notary public, let have that TAMAT and submit it for authentication. Maski notaryo gani, at may doon taman may ara notaryo hindi gani man abogado. Di ba? Ano po tuod? So just for a little protection, even we lawyers, may ara sa especially sa Manila, ang iyang notaryo ara sa salakyan, hindi man abogado. Panaaw ka na blouse dalom, kay may gambalda nga sir notaryo. Kung diyan siyo torne mo na, kaya tuloy-tuloy dalon niya kato sa dalom lunok daw. So thank you. Ako yan.
Okay. As the presiding officer, I'm also obligated to guide the members of this august body as to their or sa passage sa mga resolutions or ordinances nila, especially sa aton nga mga titles. So, Councilor, base naton pwede ma-clarify kung old or new applications ini? Kaya para at least we will mataga na itong direction man ng aton nga OSCA.
Well, anyway, it's stated in my that the applicant, no, means to say the first nga nag-60. No, but anyway, if you are an old, may already have an ID, if you want to change it, then so be it. You go to the OSCA on your own initiative.
Okay.
You are not mandatory required, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you. At least we could incorporate that as well in the resolution. Yes, Councilor Yang?
Madam Chair, the resolution here requesting the OSCA to upgrade. So what do you mean of requesting the OSCA to upgrade? That is your own initiative. I don't think that is not the
Wala,
OSCA
kasi ba?
the OSCA office are required to upgrade the senior citizen ID. That's how I understand, because requesting. The request they will upgrade because there's a resolution. You're requesting the OSCA to upgrade. So we are obliged to upgrade our ID. That's why I just want to clarify, Madam Chair.
Binisayaan na lang, Bla.
Councilor Akap.
Madam Chair, so what is the status of the resolution right now, Madam Chair?
We have a pending motion, and I don't know if you want to answer the query of Councilor Yang.
Di hindi yan ang balya. Madam Chair, so be it if you want to abstain or to object, Madam Chair. So move ko na, Madam Chair.
Yes. So, any seconds? So there's a motion to divide the house. So we would like
Wala
to,
may nag-object, Madam Chair. There's no objection, Madam Chair. Abstain man lang. Oo.
okay, so there's one abstention. Any more abstentions? Yes, abstention also from Councilor Yang.
Puro tigulang na abstain pa. Puro pa senior, Madam Chair. Wala tayo ng batikulon, Madam Chair. Oo.
Anyway, so there are only two
Wala nga abstain.
no, there are only two abstentions for this.
Bata niya.
Any more? So it has been moved and duly seconded with two abstentions. So motion is carried.
Abstention, Madam Chair.
Two abstentions.
Not objection. Thank you, Madam Chair.